Today, we're going to be working on a really cool lighting project. So right here on my patio, I have these strands of LED lights. Now, most of these bulbs are a bit damaged. You can see some of them has pollen in them. Some have like water inside, like somehow water leaked out of these bulbs. Water leaked into the bulbs, so they're filled with water. It's just, these are just low quality bulbs that came with the strand, and they only lasted a few years since we bought them. So we went ahead and ordered these. We got these J Slinter Edison 1 watt bulbs. These are film and LED bulbs. I also had a couple other ones too to replace the dead ones. These were like some of the other ones we had here. They're like basically the same here. They're pretty much the same beyond that. So we're gonna go ahead and since most of these bulbs are just trashy, we're gonna go ahead and replace all of them, just so that way they can look like brand new. So I guess let's just go ahead and jump right in. Now this side, it's okay. We got new bulbs in there. One is a bit blurred, but okay. Hey, and this is where the troubles come up. We got mostly bad bulbs everywhere. That one here I replaced, but the rest of them are just in poor condition. So let's just go ahead and just start installing. Okay, so I got this side done first. I did this off camera because some of the bases were bad, like some of the, and this basically was a mystery. These were the ones from that box, and my dad thinks that some of these are bad, but it's just basically just a mystery. So, but anyway, so I'm going to just, until the mystery's solved, use the new ones. So let's keep going. Okay, I'm going to need like a ladder to replace this one, but thankfully I have one available in the backyard. There we go. Alright, let's get the rest done. I right now have the camera sitting on the air conditioner. I'm gonna go ahead and put the other ones in. I can't get them all in the frame, but we're gonna go ahead and do them all anyway.
I'm gonna start with the one near me right now. So here's one of the bulbs with the water inside. You can see there's water inside the bulb, and yeah, that's crazy. Oh, this really is made of plastic.
I got all of the bulbs finished and replaced with new bulbs. Let's go ahead and plug it in. And that's our end result. So here are all the bulbs that are, most of the bulbs that are bad. And here's all the other ones that are bad. These ones I'll probably keep in the box because I'm sure these are perfectly good bulbs. So I'm just going to leave them in here for right now, just so that way we have extra bulbs in case if any of those fail. Anyways, that's going to do it for this project. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll make sure to see you in the next one. Lights out.